Welcome to Run Run Deals, where we have the deals. If you're looking for a deal, you came to the right place. Let's check them out. I have some awesome finds for you today, so stay tuned. Run Run Deals app have pretty much everything and anything that you're looking for. All you need to do is go to that category part, put in what you need, and there you go. There's your item. And that's exactly what I did to find this item. I just needed a simple car charger. I didn't want to go to the store and pay $20 to $30. So what I did was went to Run Run Deals, saw pretty much the same type of charger there, but at a discounted price. I used a coupon right from Run Run Deals. Check this out right here. I'm going to show you this awesome car charger that I was able to snag. Let's check it out. All right, take a look at this car charger adapter that's fast charging. It has an aluminum shell, temperature control, it has a smart chip inside, it's overloaded protection, and over voltage protection as well. So that means it's not going to wear out, it's not going to burn out, it's that strong. With that being said, let's go ahead and take a little look at it. As you can see, it's a nice little black color. I think they have this also in gray and like a gold copper looking color as well. Very simple, very sleek. Again, I was tired of buying chargers for $20, $30 at the store. I was able to get this online for a discounted price. Did you not see anything that you wanted to purchase? If not, make sure you check out Run Run Deals categories. Type in exactly what you want and find it right there. Why wouldn't you do it?